But yeah, I really enjoyed his breakdown of, to run a successful business, needing to have the artist, the entrepreneur, and the operator. And so for me, I'm deeply in the artist, so it's just to work on the more masculine parts of my business and creating more structure around what I do, and also the way he spoke to marketing and how to market well and not just sell yourself, and add and contribute value, and how that applies through social media marketing. For me, the thing that stands out is that Christian is authentic. So I felt everything that he shared today, he's embodying in his life. And I felt a really beautiful honesty and transparency in the way he delivers and the way he communicates. He's open, and he's open in what he's sharing, and it's I think it's a rare thing, his vulnerability and transparency, and this is exactly what he does to get the results that he gets. And for me, that built a level of trust and a level of certainty in that what he's actually educating works, because I can see the results in the way that he's living in his events. So I'm inspired, and thank you, Christian. Yeah.